Hello everyone. Today I've got to vacuum this bad boy out because I have completely neglected it this week. It's just been pretty hectic running the kids around as a parent or taxi service, whichever. I've had to fight off an algae bloom in this bad boy, and so I've got to vacuum and clean that out. I've done a little bit of work earlier in the week, but now I've got to do kind of the finishing touches. However, I wanted to share with you this little trick that I've been using to help out. Now, this is just an Intex pool. I've got the standard Intex cartridge filter. Okay. Um, I know if you're yelling at the screen right now, just get a sand filter. Just get a sand filter. Oh, I hear you. Trust me. I know. I know you're yelling at me right now. Just hang on. I know people love their sand filters. I'm not here to judge. I'm just using the cartridge filter. Okay. Um, I like it. Anyway, I want to talk about um, the problems that we run into with any filtration system, and that is not catching nearly as much debris as we might like it to. And so that is a story here, of course, with my little Intex filter. So here's what I'm going to do, actually. I have not one, but two, but three socks here that I'm going to use. I'm going to use the brightest one here is my inside sock. And I'm going to make like a little sock filter for my pool pump. So I've got everything, not my pool pump, my pool vacuum. So I've got that set up over there. So what I'm going to do is take one sock and stick it inside the other. Just like that. So now I've got one inside, and then I'm going to stick a third one on the outside. Okay? And what I'm effectively doing is just making a white cotton sock filter that I'm going to put right here on this outlet jet. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I've done this before to try to get the iron out of my pool because we were on well, or still are, but for some reason just that year it was lots of iron, and this was able to help me get that out much quicker. But I also want to show you how effective it is on just helping your filter, because many of us Intex owners know that if we're kind of cleaning up after a algae bloom or you get a lot of dust in there, even though your filter catches a crap ton of that stuff, you still see some of that dark water making its way out past the pump here at the outlet back into the pool. Um, this isn't a miracle cure, but it definitely helps. And so I'll show you this sock whenever we're done, just to show you what all it caught that's not getting back into my pool. Okay, so I attach it the same way I've done before. I've got on my outlet jet the whatever that thing is that goes on top of it. I've taken all that off so that I can put my sock on. Okay, so I've just finished vacuuming. I've got a few stray leaves. I've got to scoop those out with the net. But let's look and see what the sock filter has actually captured. Okay, so one full shot, not a no cuts, right? All right, so here we go. Oh yeah, so you can already see that just the outer sock is discolored from all the debris that it's caught. So the filter's done its job, just it didn't catch everything, right? So let's see as we peel these back. Whoa, that's pretty good. I wasn't actually expecting it to be this dirty because it wasn't all that dirty, or at least it didn't look that dirty. You can kind of see that discoloration. And here's the last sock, right? So if you recall, rewind the video. This is pretty clean, wasn't it? So this is all the stuff that it caught that's not getting back into my pool. Now, one of the things I noticed as I was filming, or not filming, but vacuuming, was that you could still see some of that debris getting into the pool. Um, it just wasn't nearly as much as maybe if you didn't have these, right? So as I mentioned before, a lot of us Intex owners or above ground pool owners, that as we vacuum out, kind of heavy debris, you see it kind of coming through the jet. And so of course you've got to vacuum the next day and the day after and the day after, and eventually all that'll get picked up, or you use like a clarifier or something along those lines. But this was just a little trick that I'm like, if I can catch a little bit of that, that'll shave off more vacuuming later on. And so this has really come up in a clutch many a times when I needed to get the pool clean really quickly. Okay, everyone. I hope that was informational or informational for you. Something of a little tip. Good luck. Your mileage may vary, but man, I freaking love using these things. I'm going to find some other way to use socks. I just don't know what it is yet, but I'll figure something out. All right. Well, I appreciate it. Hopefully that was a good tip for everyone. If you like, please leave a comment below. If you have another tip that might can work on this or kind of help with filters, I'd love to hear it. All right, everyone. See you next time.